Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox unable to install because there is not enough room on your disk to complete the installation. So let's begin. So first of all, this problem is very easy to fix. So all you have to do is basically just go into your file manager and go here into your local disk C, and if you can find any files right here that you don't really need and that is consuming a lot of space, you just have to delete it until you have enough space to install Roblox right there. But today I'm going to show you a tool on how you can easily and effectively clean out your drive so that you can have Roblox installed completely right here. So first, let's go here into our browser and type in WinDirStat, and this is the application that we will be using, WinDirStat right here. And you want to go into here, downloads and permalinks right here, and you want to go in here into the list of official download mirrors, and you want to click one of them. So in my case, I'll just go for SourceForge. And now that we are here in SourceForge, and as you can see, your download will start shortly, and you want to download it, and you start download, and after that you want to open the file and you want to install it, but I'm not going to show you so that I won't drag this video any longer. And after you have installed WinDirStat, you want to open it right here on your PC, and you want to select your C drive right here after you have opened WinDirStat, and you want to click on OK. And after that, you would have all of this right here, all the files in your C drive, and you could see it right here because there will be a graph after this has been finished loading, and we just need to wait for it to finish right here. And you would see later on how brilliant this app is and how really helpful this one is. And let's just wait for it. And now here it is. As you can see, it has now finished loading, and look at this right here, this beautiful graph, which means you can see everything that is consuming your storage right here. So let me just maximize this, and let's just wait for it. There it is. Then now you can just select these boxes right here depending on how the box are. So the bigger the box, the bigger the storage it is taking up. So if I click on this box right here, this is quite big. So this is a hyperfill or a Windows file right here, and you can just click some boxes right here that you want to delete right here, and you have a lot right here that you can delete depending on what you want or what you don't need. So this is a really neat way for you to clean your storage for your Roblox installation.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.